Beautifully played. Terrific use of the feet from Aiden Markram. Tickled around the corner. Now the outfield is very fast, so that's probably gone as well. Yes, it has. That's what he likes to do to spinners when he's in form. That is beautifully played. That's going all the way for half a dozen.
Well, not the slog sweep, but just the genuine control.
Didn't medal it, but he will race away to the boundary. It's fast outfield.
And again, this time a better shot, better in control, roll of the wrist, into the fence, back-to-back boundaries, 61 for 1.
Oh, that is hit absolutely hard, nailed it. Like Markram. Markram is looking to attack. That's another good shot, even though he didn't get it.
Now that he's saving boundary. Cut shot, boundary. Runs are important at this stage of the game for South Africa.
That is superb. What a magnificent stroke that is.
Slot sweep, beautifully done into the gap. 90s or no 90s. Is going to have a ball.
Through the offside, timed really well and has gone through. Fuad Alam, I think, just dived over that, and the 75th over. Last ball goes for a boundary, 227 for 3.